Namaste. I am Tonni Bhattacharya and today we have Yashika Pandikanti with us. We are learning Natya Adabu number 5 to 8 today. So let's start with number 5. In number 5, we are holding our arms with Kataka Mukha Mudra in front of our chest, and we will check if our elbows will be enough up and our Kataka Mukha is far from your body. Now the first step, like Tei Yam, our right hand goes to the sidewise with Alapadma Mudra and come back again. The same thing happens with the left side and comes back again. Now the same thing we will do to the front. The Alapadma will go front and come back with Kataka Mukha, and the left hand go front with Alapadma and come back with Kataka Mukha. Now coming to the footwork, we will need to see it in Ayata or Aramandi posture. Tei Yam is stamping the Alita posture. Toes will be up and up, heel on the ground, and now stamping the other leg. Now bring your right leg back to Ayata and stamp the left leg. The same thing will go with the left leg, like Pratyalita, and the other leg and left leg will come back and the right leg. And the same thing will happen to the front. When we will stretch our hand to Alapadma, our right leg will go front and come back, left leg will go front and come back. So let's start.
Dalam kutip kata-kata dinding atau yang tat ta ti yang ta ha ti 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 yang tat ta ti yang ta ha tam.
So this is how we do Natya Adabu number 5. One thing I missed to explain, that when we are stretching our hand to Alapadma, we should lean our body towards your Alapadma little bit, wherever it is going, right or left, and when it is coming front, that time too. Then your posture will look better. Now we will move on to Natya Adabu number 6. Natya Adabu number 6 is almost the same kind of Adabu, where the footwork will be the almost same. It will not go sidewise, rather than it will go to the front. So we will again sit in Adamandi or Ayata posture. Now we will step Alita to front, toes up, and Tei Yam, tap, ta, and the left leg, Tei Yam, ta, ha. It is even simpler. And the hands with the Kataka Mukha holding in front of your body, and it will go down but 45 degree, not very close to your body, not up like this, kind of 45 degree, and your eyes should follow your hands, and it will again come back to your chest. Okay, so let's start.
Number 6. Dalam kutip kata-kata dinding atau yang tat ta ti yang ta ha ti yang tat ta ti yang ta ha ta ti yam ta ha ti yam tat ta ti yam ta ha tam.
Now we will learn number 7. The first posture of number 7 is just like number 5 and 6. So the same thing, elbows up, Kataka Mukha far from your body, and turn around. Your back will be very much straight and shoulders will be wider, pushing back. This is the main criteria of Bharatanatyam, to make your body straighten out. So this is the first posture. The second posture will be Alapadmas, both the Alapadmas up to the sky and looking up with both the hands almost parallel. And the third step will be stretching your both the hands to the sides with Alapadma. Third step will be 45 degree angle down, and fourth step coming back to your chest with Kataka Mukha. So the same routine we will repeat to the right side and to the left side. Okay, and now we are coming to the footwork. The footwork we will start again with the Ayata or Aramandi. And we will jump to the Kunchita Pada. Then one step right, that is Alita. And now it will be left leg to the back, Swastika, and then stumping to the Ayata. And the same thing will go to the left side, Kunchita Pada, Pratyalita, Swastika, and Ayata. Very good. Well done, Yashika. So let's start. You can use these adabus as a cardio. Practicing these adabus with continuous music and with different speeds like first speed, second speed, and third speed will make your body more toned, and you will be getting more energized, as well as you will lose your weight, burn your fat, and it will help you to have yourself like a exercise as a cardio exercise we do. So let's start.
Number 7. Thalam kujik taka taka tadingena tum te yam ta ta te yam ta ha 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 tam.
Now this is our last adabu, Natya adabu number 8 of today's video. In Natya adabu number 8, let's do the hand movements at first. Again we will start with Kataka Mukha in front of your chest and throwing same Alapadma, both the Alapadmas go up. Then we will move our hand bit by bit, not fully at our both sides. So it will be Kataka Mukha, turn to Kataka Mukha, and Alapadma, Kataka Mukha, Alapadma, Kataka Mukha, Alapadma, and Kataka Mukha back. So it will be Te Yam Tat Ta Te Yam Ta Ha. So when we will move to the right side, our eyes will follow our right hand, and when we will move to the left side, our eyes will follow our left hand. Okay? Now let's move on to the footwork. The footwork goes same like we will sit in Aramandi, then jump into the Pada. Now stamping the right leg. Stamp the right leg, left leg Swastika, right leg stamping again, left leg Swastika, right leg stamping, left leg Swastika, right leg stamping, and finally left leg to the Ayata. Okay, so this is how we will do both the right side and the left side. So let's start.
Number 8. Thalam kujik taka taka tadingena tum te yam ta ta te yam ta ha te yam तत्ता तेयम ताहा तेयम तत्ता तेयम ताहा तेयम तत्ता तेयम ताहा ताम.
So, hope you have enjoyed learning with Nikon. Hope we have enjoyed learning with us. So let's practice together. You can turn on the video again and again for practice. You can slow down the speed if you can't learn it by one go. There is a system, YouTube system. You can see the setting and the playback speed. You can reduce the speed and you can learn the steps. Okay, so thank you for learning with us. If you have liked it, please like our video and share it with your friends. Subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to leave your comments, your good feedback with us. That will help us to improve more. So hope we will see you again. Bye bye.